Ever wondered what the difference is between a credit card and a secured credit card? You're not alone. The world of credit cards can be a labyrinth, with different paths representing unique financial situations, goals, and levels of understanding. On one path, you might find someone casually searching for a new credit card, weighing offers, rewards, interest rates, and annual fees. On another, you might find an individual exploring credit card options to help build or repair their credit score. They might not realize there are specific products like secured credit cards designed just for that. It's not just about plastic versus metal or Visa versus MasterCard. It's about the intent behind the search, the financial journey each person is on. But what about those specifically looking for secured credit cards? Let's delve into that next. When someone searches for a secured credit card, they're likely on a mission. This mission usually involves building or rebuilding credit. You see, secured credit cards are unique creatures in the credit card family. They require something that their unsecured cousins don't. A cash security deposit. This deposit typically serves as the credit limit, ensuring that the cardholder can't spend beyond their means. Secured credit cards are often the go-to option for people with no credit history or those looking to recover from past credit blunders. It's a bit like training wheels for credit, offering a safe and structured way to demonstrate financial responsibility. A search for a secured credit card tends to indicate a more detailed level of understanding about credit products. It's a recognition of the need for a product tailored to individuals with lower credit scores or limited credit history. So, what are the key differences in the intents behind these searches? Let's explore that. So, you've got credit card in one hand and secured credit card in the other. What's the difference in intent, you ask? Well, let's dive in. When someone types in credit card in the search bar, it's like casting a wide net into the ocean of financial products. They could be looking for their first credit card, comparing different offers, or maybe even exploring ways to improve their credit score. It's a broad search, driven by a variety of needs and interests. Now, on the other hand, when someone searches for a secured credit card, they're casting a smaller but more specific net. They're likely focused on building or rebuilding their credit. They understand that a secured credit card requires a cash security deposit, and that it could be a stepping stone to better financial health. Are you with me so far? Good. Now let's talk about the level of credit awareness. A general credit card search could suggest a broader interest or perhaps a lower level of awareness about specific credit-building tools. However, a secured credit card search indicates a more detailed understanding of credit products. It shows that the searcher recognizes the need for a product tailored to their specific situation. Then comes the financial situation. The intent behind searching for secured credit cards often points to a specific financial goal or situation, such as rebuilding credit. A general credit card search, on the other hand, doesn't necessarily imply a specific financial goal. Lastly, we have the specificity of needs. Those searching for secured credit cards are likely looking for solutions to specific credit or financial challenges. In contrast, general credit card searches might be driven by a wide range of needs or interests. So, understanding these search intents can help us in providing more tailored information, advice, or products to meet the searcher's needs. It's like knowing whether to offer someone a fishing net or a fishing pole. Both can catch fish, but one might be more suitable depending on the situation. Remember, whether you're searching for a credit card or a secured credit card, knowledge is power. Happy searching.